In this video, I'm going to show you how to create virtual copies in Lightroom. Virtual copies are copies of the original or master photograph that don't exist as actual photographs. They're just more metadata in the catalog and therefore don't take up any more space on your hard drive. I want to create virtual copies of this image. I'm in the Develop module. I'm going to right-click up here in the Preview area and I'm going to select Create Virtual Copy. Now, if you look down here in the film strip, you can see the copy has been made. It says copy 5. That means I've done virtual copies before. Normally it'll start off by saying copy 1. And it has this upturned edge signifying that it is a virtual copy of this picture, which is the master file. Okay, I'm going to make a couple virtual copies. You can make as many as you want. So I'm going to right-click again. And I'll select Create Virtual Copy. And let's do one more, Create Virtual Copy. So now we have the master and 3 virtual copies. Let's do something to these copies. So I'm going to come over here to the left side panel and I'll select one of the presets. Let's select the black and white look 3 for that virtual copy. I'm going to select another virtual copy. And why don't we give it the age photo look? And then one more virtual copy. How about direct positive? So now we have 3 virtual copies and the master. So we have one with the black and white look 3, one with the age photo, and one with a direct positive look. And these are now part of my collection. So if I go back over to the library module, which I'll do right now by hitting the G key, I'm leaving the develop module. I'm now in the library module. You can see here's my master image and we have virtual copies right next to it. Now I find it useful to stack these all together. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm going to select all 4 of these images. I just selected the first one and then held down the Shift key and selected the last image. I'm going to right click and I'm going to stack these photographs by selecting Stacking, Group into Stack. And now all my images are stacked neatly together. And when I click on the number here, it just opens up and they're revealed to me. Okay, so what happens if you want to make one of the virtual copies a master copy? You can go ahead and do that by selecting the virtual copy that you want to become the master copy, like I'll do right now. So under Photo, you select Save Copy as Master. Now this becomes the master, and this is now a virtual copy. So these virtual copies exist in the Lightroom database, hardly taking up any extra space. When you go to export one of them, however, they become an actual photograph, and then they can be edited in other applications if you want. So using virtual copies in Lightroom is easy and actually very practical.